What's up guys, this is Sunny back with another video. And today basically I just want to give you guys a quick update. So basically I picked up a processor from Micro Center. It was open box, Intel Core i3 8100, and I'll see if I can return this and pick up a maybe Ryzen 7 1700, because right now Ryzen 7 1700 Micro Center selling for $200, and that's a really good bang for the buck, because 8-core processor for $200. So I'm gonna see if I could do that, or maybe what I will do, maybe I'll pick up a Intel Core i7 8700K. I should get around $87 out of this one, and if they hopefully they take this one back and give me the refund, because I don't really have a very good relationship with Micro Center, because I did a lot of returns and stuff. So let's see what happened, and let's just go on and keep you guys updated. So I just got up from Micro Center and I did pick up the Ryzen 1700 CPU for $200, $199 on sale. You know, I know you guys might be thinking why I'm buying a Ryzen CPU right now, like a 1700, you know, because Ryzen 2700, you know, about to release somewhere sometime April. So guys, it's a really good deal, and that's the reason I picked up this CPU for $199. Can you go wrong, right? You can go wrong. With another video, and today real quick I just want to give you guys quick update. So I went to Micro Center, got a good deal, picked up a Ryzen 1700 8-core 16-thread processor for $212. Actually the processor price was around $199, and then I had a $5 coupon from Micro Center, so I paid $194, and then with tax and everything it was $212.31. You crazy. 8-core processor, okay, 16-thread, okay, definitely one of the best processor if you want to, like, you know, render videos and stuff like 3D, you know, all this work if you want to do. This is a workstation processor, guys. I was debating between picking up a 8700K, the Intel Core i7 8700K, or pick up this one, but when I was comparing like rendering time stock to stock, Ryzen 1700 was faster just because of its 8-core, and I needed something faster, okay? I wasn't looking to buy something for gaming. I'm not a professional gamer. I have Ryzen gaming PC, and you know, I play game like Overwatch, Battlefield, GTA 5, so I'm not really like pro gamer. Now, this processor, the difference between this one and the Ryzen 2700, basically you are not going to gain any IPC gain. You're just gonna gain the core clock. All right, so this one I believe Ryzen 1700 boost up to 3.7 gigahertz, and the Ryzen 2700 will boost up to maybe 4.1 gigahertz, 4.2 gigahertz. I believe Ryzen 2700X will boost up to 4.3 gigahertz. So you can maybe overclock Ryzen 2700 to maybe 4.3, 4.4 gigahertz. Now, mind you, the Ryzen 1800X, when it came out first, you know, you can hardly overclock to 4 gigahertz or 4.1 gigahertz. So that doesn't mean that the processor that boosts up to maybe, you know, like 4.3 gigahertz, or you can overclock more than that. Maybe you could go up to 4.3 gigahertz. So just keep that in mind. And if you have a Ryzen 1700, 1700X or 1800X, guys, don't worry, you're not missing out on anything. Maybe next year AMD is planning on going from a 12 nanometer processor to 7 nanometer processor. That's when they're talking about 5 gigahertz boost clock. Now that's when you can upgrade. But right now, if you have a Ryzen 1700, 1800, or like Ryzen you know, 1700X or Ryzen 1600, you should be perfectly fine. Don't stress yourself. Now, I have the PC I have here, that's my budget build. I recently built with AMD Ryzen 2200G, you guys can see. So basically, I put some RGB fans in there, you guys can see, and definitely got a power supply I just thrown in there, EVGA 650 watt power supply. And if you guys are wondering, these RGB fans, these are from AMD Electronics. These are like $40 fan, like comes through in a pack. And of course the case I have Masterbox I believe light 3.1 from Cooler Master. It's a great case. You guys can pick up this case for only $37, $38. I personally like this case. If you guys want to see like a review for this case, I know it's an old case, just let me know. Guys wondering which cooler I have in this build, Keurig M9 cooler. It's a good cooler and running flawlessly. So basically what I will do after I finish the overclocking benchmark for this Ryzen 2200G build, I will just install the Ryzen 1700 in this build and basically make this PC my dedicated like, you know, rendering machine, streaming machine, basically everything. So that's the plan, guys. And I have this graphics card here. That's the Asus RX 564 gig. I believe that's a 14U, okay, 14CU, that's the one. But I flushed the 16CU VAS in there. So now basically this one comes with I believe 14 compute in it, and now this one has right now 16 and I believe 1024 shaders. So yeah, and running flawlessly. So I'll use this RX 560 in the Ryzen 1700 build, because for rendering and stuff you don't need like a lot of graphics power like if you have a faster processor. So that's the plan, guys. I just wanted to keep you guys up to date. If you guys have any question, leave in the comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer you guys. But for now, that should be it. I just wanted to keep you guys up to date. I think I already said that once, right? Alright guys, peace. I'm out.